Good morning. We're heading to the airport now. Last couple hours in jolly old Germany. 6:45. Pretty damn cold. I don't know what to say. I mean,
Back to real life.
it always seems too short.
Oh, we've been gone for so long. It only feels like 2 days to us. Public transport has been very good to us. We haven't used a taxi or Uber. Any of these European countries.
We've either walked, taken the bus, or a train.
I am so looking forward to not smelling a cigarette again.
Everyone here smokes.
It's the most disgusting smell ever.
Mood. Tired. Made it.
We're in the US.
God, I love global entry.
So worth it.
Literally took 30 seconds. Scan your fingerprints.
Scan your passport. Declare.
Hit no to all.
Scan your handprint. Goodbye. Relief. Anxiety is like, okay, I'm back in the US. Everybody speaks English.
Yeah.
There's a common knowledge going on here. $20 to hold our luggage. Kind of worth it.
Yeah. Checked in, luggage drop, heading to the link to go into downtown Seattle, meeting friends for some food and stuff.
Yeah. I want some food. I want some beer. I want some coffee.
We have priorities. Priorities. Things just work better here. Like going through security, super fast. Even if you don't have pre-check, still super fast. It's all one go. So in Munich, we were delayed 2 hours. We get to Munich airport.
2 hours!
The way that they do it is first you scan your boarding pass, then you go through security, then they check your passport. These are all different steps, mind you. Where here in America, that's all one step. These are all different steps. And then, once we were in there, to actually get to our gate, there was another passport check. And that one, they only had one guy sitting there checking hundreds of people's passports.
TSA pre-check here is they're government vetted. The people that were checking our passports to get to the gate was Securitas, which is a privately owned security company.
Yeah.
So I don't know if it's government vetted, whatever the fuck you're doing, Munich, but why are they checking my passport? Who are you?
The thing that I noticed is that after we had gotten through the first passport check, they stamped our passport, we went downstairs, and then there was a security checkpoint right there, like past there. I don't know what it depends on, but some people apparently would go through that other security checkpoint, which is why I'm assuming they're checking passports again. But then why not just rearrange the fucking airport so that you don't have to do that shit?
There's a lot of angry Americans online.
Yeah. They're like, this sucks.
It sucks so bad. I don't even know.
We got there early thinking that we were gonna get through, be able to sit down, relax, get some food, like some snacks before we got on the plane. But no, we were standing, waiting in line the entire 2 hours before.
Yeah, and then we boarded the bus to get on the plane at the time that the plane was supposed to be leaving.
And then we sat on the plane for another hour and a half while they waited for the rest of the people to board.
And then there was somebody who didn't make it, and then they found out that there was luggage on the plane, but the person wasn't. So they had to take their luggage off the plane, which took another hour.
Yeah.
And then once that was done, they had to get clearance from the air control tower for us to leave, which that took another 20 minutes. I fell asleep and kept waking up, and we're still on the ground. It's a shit show. Thank you, Condor.
I don't think it's Condor's issue. I think it's German overzealous security, to be honest. I thought TSA was bad. Don't fly to Germany.
Mind you, this is getting out of the country.
It's not
even getting in.
If you go to Germany, don't fly out of Germany. That's all I have to say. Dad, take a train to Amsterdam. Going through Amsterdam was super easy.
They didn't even check shit.
Yeah.
It's just like an anxiety that's been lifted off. Knowing that like I'm back in the States, I can figure out how to get anywhere.
Yeah.
I think mainly because I have signal and
Yeah,
data.
that too.
I can figure it out all on my own.
I'm a big girl.
I can do it.